Walk and Crawl here. I wanted to introduce you guys to a cool cooking system here. It's called the Stoke Voltaics cooking system, and it's electric, and it's pretty cool. We're outdoors often, and normally we've used propane, sometimes fire, natural fire over a firewood or a campfire, but it's nice to have all electric way of cooking. So I do have this fire anytime pit as well, which you could also cook off of this. Carry a pan to be able to cook on top of it, but to have this electric stove here to be able to do this is actually pretty cool. So right now I'm at 800 watts. This thing is going. And I carry it with my Blue Eddy. If you take a look, it's pulling about 800 watts, 778. But I mean, I've literally have this connected probably, I don't know, it's been 3, maybe 4 minutes at the most. And yeah, it's definitely pulling some power. But as I mentioned before, if you guys have watched some of my videos, I do have the Peckrock charger here in the Gladiator. And we're out here in Arizona, actually. This is Barton Lake. Really cool spot. Got this cool little island section here. But yeah, so once we head out of here, we're only here for the day, just kind of hanging out. But when we take off, I'm just gonna plug in my charger to this Peckron smart car charger, and this thing generates almost 500 watts. And so I'll pretty much, by the time I get home, I'll have my Blue Eddy fully charged. But yeah, so having that option and having an electric way of cooking your food, and it comes not just with what I have out there, it comes with another pan, which is pretty cool. There you go. Here's the bottom of it. There's a coil that connects and generates that energy. But as you see, I mean, it's going. And I think what, we've been talking for about 2, almost 3 minutes. This is almost ready. Very cool. But yeah, I'll include a discount code for you guys here in the description. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to me and I'll make sure to respond. But yeah, this is Barton Lake, and I'll put a video together here. I got some drone shots of this lake. I mean, it's really cool spot, great fishing. And as you guys could hear, some wakeboarding as well. That's actually the only boat out here that's wakeboarding. It's a decent sized lake, but yeah, if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, yeah, appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, and sharing this content. Just, you know, trying to do what I can here to provide you guys with some information on some of the stuff that I've came across. But yeah, this Stoke Voltaics, they did send this out to me. As I mentioned, I'll provide a discount code. And I mean, I'm very picky as to who I accept products from. And this product, when they reached out, I thought, you know what, maybe it could be a little gimmicky, but no, man, this thing is amazing. This works great. We've used it quite a few times. And, you know, it does pull some power, obviously, depending on what you're cooking. Where are we at now? See, we're at 34%. It's pulling about 880, 860, 840, somewhere around there. But yeah, it's a great product, and I'm not just saying it just to say it. This thing is amazing. It's great to have options. But yeah, again, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Appreciate you guys. You guys be safe out there, and yeah, see you guys later.